We proceed exercise 9.2. We are doing exercise 9.2, question number 1. We have completed. Let us see question number 2. Find the sum of all natural numbers. Find the sum of all natural numbers. Find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000. Lying between 100 and 1000. Which are multiples of 5. Which are multiples of 5. So the question is, find the sum of all natural numbers. Find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000. Which are multiples of 5. So there is difference between the language. In the previous question, there was, what was the question? Previous question?
Find the sum of all integers from 1 to
From 1 to 1001. So 2001. From means we have to take the value of 1 and also 2001. And between means we don't take 100 and 1000. Between 100 and 1000 means you not have to take the value of 100 and the value of 1000. You have to take only those values which lies between 100 and 1000. Between means आपको ये वैल्यू और ये वैल्यू नहीं है. You have to left these two values because these two values are also multiple of 5. 100 is the multiple of 5, 1000 is the multiple of 5, but since we have given that line between means we have to neglect these two values, 100 and 1000. So firstly we suppose we take the first value, the first natural number lying between 100 and 1000, which are multiple of 5. What is the first natural number between 100 and 1000 which are multiple of 5? 105. 105 is the first natural number which are the multiple of 5. So we made the series. The first natural number is 105. Then the next natural number which is multiple of 5, 110. 110. Then the next natural number which is multiple of 5, 115. Then 120. Means there must be the gap of 5. 120 after 120, 125. So we have to find the sum of all these numbers. 105 plus 110 plus 115 plus 120 plus 125 and plus dash 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 plus the natural number multiple of 5 just before 1000. 1000 के पहले नेचुरल नंबर बताओ जो 5 का मल्टीपल हो. 995. 995. 995. 995 is the natural number which is multiple of 5 just before 1000. Just before 1000. So we made the series where the first term is the value of A is 105 and the common difference, the difference between two consecutive terms, 110 minus 105, 5, 115 minus 110, 5. So the common difference is 5. And the last term means AN. The last term AN is 995. Then we have to find the value of N. We will have to calculate the value of N, total number of terms. So we use the formula AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into B. The value of AN last term is 995 and the value of A first term is 105. And we have to calculate the number of terms. N we have to calculate. And the common difference is 5. 105 will go on left side. So 995 minus 105 equals to N minus 1 into 5. 995 minus 105. This is 890. 890 equals to 5 times of N minus 1. Then N minus 1 equals to 890 upon 5. 17 5 job 85 and 8 5 job 40. So N minus 1 equals to 178 and N equals to 170. Minus 1 will go on right side, it becomes plus. So we have calculated the total number of terms. N means there are 179 terms between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. Then we have to calculate the sum. So Sn equals to N by 2. First term A plus An. This was the second formula. The value of N is 179 upon 2. First term is 105 and the last term is 995. Then 179 upon 2 into 105 plus 995. 105 plus 995. This is 1100. 995 plus 105. 1100. It goes by 550. So 179 into 550. 179 multiplied by 550. So 179 into 55. Nine five jab 45, 7 5 jab 35 plus 4 39, 5 plus 3 8, 98450. 98450. 98450. This is the value of Sn. Sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiple of 5. Sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiple of 5. This is 98450. Now question number third. In an AP, the first term is 2. Question number 3. In an AP, the first term is 3. The value of A is 3. The first term is 2. In an AP, the first term is 2. Then sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Sum of first 5 terms. Sum of first 5 terms is equals to बोल रहे हैं क्वेश्चन पे ध्यान नहीं देते सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स इज 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Sum of the first 5 terms is equals to 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Then show that 20th term is 100 minus 112. Show that 20th term is minus 112. We have to show that 20th term is minus 112. So two things we have given. We have given the first term A, and next we have given that sum of first 5 terms is equals to 1/4 of the next 5 terms. This is the important question. So sum of first 5 terms means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 and plus A5, and this is equals to 1/4 of the next 5 terms. Next 5 terms means A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Sum of first 5 terms means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. Terms are represented by A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Is equals to 1/4 of next 5 terms. Next 5 terms means after A5. A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Now do cross multiplication. So we get 4 times of A1 plus A2 plus dash dash A5 is equals to A6 plus A7 plus dash dash A10. 4 times of first 5 terms A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equals to next 5 terms A6 plus A7 plus A8 plus A9 plus A10. Now add A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 both sides. Add A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 both sides. So already there was 4 times of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. And when we add A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, it becomes 5 times of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus till up to A5. And this one started from A6 to A10. When we add all these first 5 terms, it becomes A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 plus A7 till up to A10. When we add both sides, the first 5 terms, then on the right side, it was becomes from A1 to A10 because first 5 terms have been added, and this becomes 5 times of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. So why we add both sides? Why we add both sides? Because the formula for finding the sum to n terms is from first term to n term. The formula is from first term to n term, not from 6 to 10. The formula which we have, sum to n terms, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 till up to n terms. That's why it was from 6 terms to 10 terms. So to make it from the beginning, we add both sides, first 5 terms. Now use the formula. Use the formula for sum to 5 terms. So there are n, total number of terms is 5. The value of n is 5. So n by 2 means 5 by 2. Then 2a. The value of a. The value of a is given 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. The value of n is 5 because there are total 5 terms. N minus 1 and d we have to calculate. Here we use the sum to n terms. The total number of terms is 10. So n by 2 means 10 by 2. 2a. The value of a is 2 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1 into d. 2 5 is 10. Here we solve 5 into 5 by 2 and 2 into 2, 4 plus 5 minus 1, 4d. Equals to 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 10 minus 1, 9d. From both sides, 5 gets cancelled and 5 by 2 multiplied by 4, 5 4s are 20 upon 2, this becomes 10 plus 5 4s are 20, 20 upon 2, this is 10d. So 10 plus 10d, 10 plus 10d equals to 4 plus 9d. This 4 will come on left side. So 10 minus 4 equals to 9d and this 10d will go on right side, minus 10d. So 9d minus 10d, this is minus d, and 10 minus 4, 6. So 6 equals to minus d, and the value of d is minus 6. So we get the value of d. The value of d comes to be minus 6. Now we have to show that 28th term is minus 112. 28th term means A20. The formula for A20. The formula for AN. We use the formula for AN. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. And we have to find the 20th term. So we put the value of n equals to 20 and the value of a we put 2 and the value of d we use minus 6. So A20 equals to, the value of A is 2, number of terms n is 20, 20 minus 1, and the value of D is minus 6. So we get 2 plus 20 minus 1, 19. 19 multiplied by minus 6. That is 2, and plus minus minus 140. 2 minus 140, that is minus 112. So the 20th term comes to be minus 112, which we have to prove. The 20th term is minus 112. A20 equals to minus 112. This we have to prove. So we have given the first term A equals to 2, and also it was given that sum of first 5 terms is equals to 1 by 4 of the next 5 terms. So first 5 terms A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, and next 5 terms then multiplied by 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Then we do cross multiply, then add first 5 terms both sides, and then we use the formula for A set. Sum to 5 terms and here sum to 10 terms. Then we calculate the value of B. Then we use the formula AN equals to A plus N minus 1D, and we have to find the 20th term. So at the place of N we use 20, and at the place of N 20, and at the place of D we use minus 6, and the value of A is already it was given 2. Now next question, question number 4. How many terms of the AP? How many terms? How many terms of the AP? Minus 6, minus 6, minus 11 by 2, then
minus 5
minus 5
are needed to give the sum minus 20.
are needed
To give sum
to give the sum minus 25. Dash dash are needed to give the sum are needed to give the sum minus 25. How many terms of the AP? The AP is given, whose first term is minus 6. The value of A is minus 6. Common difference we calculate. Common difference is calculated by subtracting the first term from the second term. Second term is minus 11 by 2, and we have to subtract. And what we have to subtract? The first term, and the first term is minus 6. So it becomes minus 11 by 2 and minus minus plus 6. By taking LCM, we get minus 11 plus 12, and that is 1 by 2. This is the common difference. Common difference is calculated by subtracting the first term from the second term. The second term is minus 11 by 2, and subtract means minus. And what subtract? first term minus 6. So minus minus it becomes plus. Minus 11 by 2 plus 6. Taking LCM 2, we get minus 11 plus 12, which is 1 by 2. This is the value of t. And what we have to calculate? We have to calculate n. How many terms? Means n we have to calculate. And sum is given. Sn is given minus 25. So we use the formula for finding the sum to n terms. We use the formula for Sn. So Sn equals to n by 2 and 2n plus n minus 1 into d. The value of Sn we have given minus 25 and n we have to calculate. First term minus 6, so 2 into minus 6 plus n minus 1 and common difference we have calculated 1 by 2. So by cross multiplication 25 minus 25 multiplied by 2 minus 50 equals to n minus 12 plus n minus 1 upon 2. So minus 50 equals to n. Inside the bracket we take LCM. LCM be 2 minus 12 into 2 minus 24 plus n minus 1. Then again we do cross multiplication. Minus 50 multiplied by 2 minus 100 minus 100. 50 into 2 100 equals to n. Inside the bracket minus 24 minus 1 minus 25 and plus n. So n minus 25. So minus 100 equals to n square minus 25n. This will go on right side, becomes plus. So n square minus 25n and plus 100 equals to 0. N square minus 25n plus 100 equals to 0. We make the factor by splitting the middle terms. So the factor will be minus 20 and minus 5. So n square minus 20n and minus 5n and plus 100 equals to 0. From first two terms, n is common. We get n minus 20, then minus 5 is taken common, n minus 20 equals to 0. Then n minus 20 is common, we get n minus 5 equals to 0. So we get the true value of n. N equals to 20 and from here n equals to 5. So the value of n is 20 and 5. Two values of n. N equals to 20 and n equals to 5.